Children, today also we will continue with our same topic, model. But our next model is can. So, can is used for showing ability or capacity. See the example, he can lift this box. It means he is capable of lifting that box. Next example, I cannot speak Tamil. I am showing my inability to speak Tamil. Third example, they can go inside. They are capable to go inside now. Now the next is can is used for permission also, but in informal way. See the example, can I borrow your bike? Can we use generally to seek permission for our near dear ones, where we are informal in behavior. Can I borrow your bike means you are just taking permission for sake that can I borrow your bike. Next one, can I take your pen? These kind of sentences we usually speak with our friends or our relatives. Third one, you can come tomorrow. Here again, you are taking permission. Now next is for possibility. See the example. Loud music can damage your ears. There are possibility that if you hear the loud music for long hours, this will damage your ears. Next one, working on mobiles for long hours can cause weak eyesight. Again, here is a possibility that your ears can be damaged if you will use the phone for long hours. Our next model is could. Could is the past form of can, and therefore it can replace can in the past habits. First is could is used to show ability in the past, while we were using can to show the ability in the present. See the examples. He could do cartwheel once upon a time. It means earlier he was able to do cartwheel. Again ability is there and now cannot. Second, I could lift heavier bags than this one when I was young. Again, capability is shown here that when the person was young, he was able to lift heavier bags than this one. Next is to make polite request. When you make a request very politely, you use could. See the examples. Could you call me later? It seems little more polite. Next is, could you tell me the way? You are asking the way in polite way. Last one, could you just sit down and listen? These are some examples which shows that when you make a very polite request, you use could. Third one is for possibility, but weak possibility, means less chances. See the example, she could be in her room. There are chances that she could be in the room, but weak possibility is there to be in the room. Next example, you could find your diary in the library. Again, the chances are weak to find the diary in the library.